Everyone, it's Isabel again, here to talk to you about how to customize your marketing mix. So, we've looked at how Fiona breaks out her total budget into the different platforms, but what if I'm saying for Madison Landing, I don't agree with this $1,523 on search. I have my own ideas about it. That's when this widget at the very bottom of your property dashboard comes into play called the budget grid. So here we're looking at the current month, so February, the month ahead that Fiona is predicting and planning your budgets for, and then the 3 months historical. So here you can see for Madison Landing, historically I've usually spent between $500 and $700 on search, but for some reason in March she's telling me I need to spend more. If I disagree with that, that's okay. I can tell Fiona I only want to spend $700 on search. But then to make her stick $700 into her mix, I'm going to lock in that value and I'm going to say, Fiona, redistribute your recommendation, but don't touch my search budget. So then we can see here, she kept our total at just over $4,500, but she's redistributed that original $1,200 on search across ILS and a little bit into social media. Same goes for platforms that aren't in the mix that I know I budget for every month because I know they perform well for my property. Fiona doesn't know my historical performance on these platforms, but I know for Madison Landing, emails do really well. So I want to see what would she say if I wanted to put email into my mix. So I'm going to enable this platform, lock it because I want to guarantee that she includes it in her recalculation. And then I'm going to ask her to redo her math and tell me what I should spend on email. You can see now, not only did my $700 in search that I locked in place stay, but also she said you should allocate $720 for email if you want to include it in your marketing mix for March. And that's a little bit how to customize the marketing mix.